Hello, and welcome to English for Learners, a channel where you listen to interesting everyday conversations between fun characters. After each conversation, we break down key terms to help you understand and remember new vocabulary. Once you've listened, try role-playing the scenes yourself. Speaking aloud is the fastest way to boost your English skills and confidence. So let's begin. Meet Emma and Mia. Emma loves reading books and believes each one takes her on a new adventure. And Mia loves social media and enjoys all the latest trends and videos. Today they will talk about which is better, books or social media. Let's see what they think.
Mia, still on your phone?
Just catching up on Instagram, you know. What about you? What's with the mountain of books?
These? Oh, I'm just getting ready for my next adventure.
Adventure? With those books?
Yes, every book is like a new world. You wouldn't believe the places I've been this week.
Oh, really? And where have you been exactly?
Let's see. I visited ancient Egypt, solved a mystery in London, and explored a hidden forest with magical creatures.
Not bad. But I've seen 3 fashion trends, 2 dance challenges, and a cute dog video in just the last 5 minutes.
Sounds fast-paced.
It is. Everything I need is right here. News, trends, friends. What can be better than that?
But with books, I get to slow down and really dive into the story. It's like living someone else's life for a while.
Okay, but who has the time for that? I want everything now, fast and fun.
Maybe, but books let me think deeply. Plus, I don't get distracted every 2 seconds.
Fine. I'll admit, sometimes my phone is a bit distracting, especially when I'm trying to study.
Exactly! Books help me focus. When I'm reading, I'm totally in the zone.
Maybe I'll try it. But only if you let me show you this cute cat video later.
Deal. Let's see who has the better adventure.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation between Mia and Emma. Now, let's break down some phrases that come up in Emma and Mia's conversation. The first phrase is catching up on. This means to spend time getting updated on something. In the dialogue, Mia is catching up on Instagram, which means she's checking out new posts and stories to see what she missed. Here are some other examples of how you can use catching up on in your speech. Catching up on homework. I spent the weekend catching up on my homework because I was sick last week. Catching up on sleep. After a busy week, I needed to catch up on sleep over the weekend. Catching up on news. I like to catch up on the news every morning to know what's happening in the world. The next on the list is adventure. An adventure refers to an exciting or unusual experience. When Emma talks about going on an adventure through her books, she means exploring new worlds and stories that take her on thrilling journeys. So, what does dive into the story mean? Dive into the story means to really get into a book or a tale. Emma loves reading because it lets her connect with the plot and characters, making her feel like she's actually part of what's happening. Next on the list is distracted. When someone is distracted, it means their attention is taken away from what they were doing. For example, if you're trying to read but keep looking at your phone, you are distracted. Emma points out that with social media, it's easy to get distracted every few seconds by notifications and new content, making it hard to concentrate. The last one we have is in the zone. This phrase describes a state of concentration where someone is fully engaged in what they're doing. When Emma reads, she feels in the zone, fully absorbed in her book without outside interruptions. Thanks for joining us on English for Learners. I hope you enjoyed the fun dialogue. If you did, be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's keep the conversations going. See you next time.